Hey guys, this is Jason Palaro Mejia and I'm going to teach you how to do the digital art. So first, you have to prepare the materials you're going to use. Choose your device. You can use laptop, phone, tablet, Cintiq, and you need to have a drawing tablet. It can be Wacom Intuos or Uwin. Of course, you need table and chair. The second step is open your software for digital art. You can use Clip Studio Paint, MediBang Paint, or Paint Tool Sai. Now here's the fun part, the third part, draw. So first, for me, I'm going to search for my reference. So I chose this reference from Adventure Time. So I'm gonna put it there and then I'm going to lower the transparency. Of course, I have to make the background white. Another layer for the line art. Then after creating the line art, another layer for the colors. Make sure that the layer of the color is below to the line art. Now that you're done, you have to save as a file for MediBang in case that you want to make some changes again and save as JPEG. But in my style, I'm going to save it as PNG because I want that my background is transparent. You can use your digital art, your PNG digital art for stickers like this, and you can paste it everywhere. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye!